Good morning, everyone. Okay, I am baking today. This is the first time I'm going to bake in our RV. So I got a banana squares recipe off TikTok, and I'm going to try it out. Now, these ovens apparently are notorious for burning things because the house is right underneath the bottom shelf. Most people put a pizza stone in there to keep things from burning. I am taking a chance. I raised the rock up one, and we're going to see how it goes. So, bananas all mashed up in there. Oh, I have to add melted butter from here. So we're going to see how this all turns out. Okay, so I got all my ingredients together. We have flour, sugar, salt, cinnamon, yogurt. Apparently you can use sour cream as well. Baking soda. Don't ask about the size of this box. It's a whole different story. Brown sugar and more butter for a bit of a topping. Couple eggs. And in here I've got the butter and the mashed up potatoes. Bananas for the banana bread. And in an RV, the stepladder is your friend because half of my stuff sits on the top shelf up there and I can't, it's too high. I can't reach it. All right. So Sasha came home from her walk. Hello, madame. And she's going to assist. Hey, you're going to sit and watch me, make sure I don't miss any ingredients and I do it all right. I will link the recipe to the TikToker who put it on, who posted it on her page. So right now okay, now I have to do a half a cup of the yogurt. The yogurt I would normally use, the one I like so much. It's just recalled at Costco. Yes, I liked poisoned food. So, I'm using that one. Still getting used to looking for everything in here. Maybe move just a little bit this way. There we go. Maybe this way. There we go. So half a cup.
Okay, I'm back.
Oh, hang on.
Okay. Yeah, now I'm going to open up some window with a fan on. Pretty hot in here.
It's comfortable. Consistency of a cake batter. There. Banana. What do you expect it to look like? Alright. Just gonna check over, make sure I got all the ingredients, and then I get a pan ready. Okay. She put it in an 8x8 pan, which I'm gonna do. This is non-stick. She greased it and put parchment paper in it. I will put, what do I want to do? I'm going to do one or the other, not both. And then we're going to make a little bit of a streusel topping for to spread over the top of it, which she did as well. Okay, parchment paper for the wind. Now I get to make a bit of a mess, I'm sure. I'm not big on baking or cooking. I just don't have the patience for it. I can watch people, TV. Remember HGTV and all their baking shows? I don't know if they still have them. The cooking shows. Watch you do that forever. Alright. knife I used for my butter. Alright, so that's all spread out. Alright, let me rinse off my hands. Give you guys a look. There it is in the pan. Looks yummy. Now, she made a bit of a streusel topping. And she... Okay, the quarter cup of butter melted. I thought she would leave it just soft. And quarter cup of brown sugar and enough flour to make the crumble. So you gotta eyeball that. So I just gotta melt my butter. It's pretty soft. Sorry if there's background noise. I've got the vent open and the fan on. So we don't get asphyxiated with gas. Beautiful. Oh, there I go again. Good thing I just do this for me. Okay, and a quarter cup of brown sugar. A generous dose. That's okay. Lots of cinnamon. Who doesn't love cinnamon? And mix that up. Nice and smooth. And then I'm going to be guessing it's sour. If I get it wrong, I can always add more sugar and more butter. Definitely more than a quarter cup of flour. Still dumping the rest of it. There's a half a cup of flour. Oh, now we're getting a little bit of a crumble. But it's close. Still pretty soft. I got another quarter cup, but I'm sure I won't use it all. Try a bit at a time. This is like my painting for the mirror. Took me forever to mix that color. A bit at a time. Crumbly. Right, let's finish mixing in this flour and I'll show you. Kind of crumbly like that. Right. So I'm going to put this on top and then I'll show you. Okay, so it definitely looks like I got more crumble on mine than she did on hers. I'll show you. The whole thing's covered. Isn't that lovely? Look at the mess I made. And even got a couple pieces on the floor. And my assistant is asleep. Asleep on the job. You don't know there's food on the floor, do you? You smell it. Ew. It's okay, I wouldn't have let you have it anyway. Sugar in it. You don't get that. Okay. So that's it for that. And I'm going to stick it in the oven. It's at 350 and it's supposed to be for a half an hour. So I'm doing my cleanup. There's a little bit of batter left over. Just for me. And I know everyone says, oh, don't eat raw eggs, don't eat raw eggs. I think my generation is immune because we've been eating batter since we could sit up. So I'm eating the batter for anything I bake. Somebody's watching me doing dishes. We feel charged. Oh, I see. Yes, that's it now. Right? No, I wasn't watching you. No, I wasn't judging you. No, not me. I was just sitting here all innocent, sleeping. You never saw a thing. Yeah, just grooming. Yeah, didn't see me. Okay, so it's finished. My oven, I had to put it at like 375. So I did it at I baked it at 350 for a half an hour. Then I added 10 more minutes to it. Then it still wasn't. It was still coming out with a toothpick in the middle. It was still coming out wet. So I cranked it up to 375 and I baked it for another 20 minutes. So that's these propane RV ovens. They're very slow. So this is done. I'm going to take it over here. It's cooled for about 20 minutes or so. And I just want to pop this out of the pan. There we go. And it's looking good. Nice color. There we go. Now I just want to cut it. Switch hands there. Oh, how am I going to do this? Phones are not made for left-handed people. Okay. And I'm just going to cut a little square. And have a look. Oh, that looks good. Yeah, that looks really good. Nice and soft and spongy. So I'm just gonna have a bite. Good. That's really moist. This is good. I'll make this again. So I've got the link to the TikToker, her page. Sorry, I don't remember her name off the top of my head, but you can have a look. She does a lot of recipes. Yeah, enjoy. So that's it for today. Like, comment, subscribe, share, follow us for our journey. We're going to be leaving here in about a week and heading a couple provinces over for some visits with family. So join us on our journey.